Hey guys, this is Bruce, and this is ConvoCourses. We're going to be talking about some cybersecurity, particularly how to put cybersecurity bullets on your resume if you happen to be an IT person, or if you're in any other industry. I'm going to show you like how to find keywords, how do you know if you've ever even done cybersecurity, and what are like the main things you want to put on your resume. This is a part of a course that I'm doing. If you are interested in deep diving into this course, like dipping your toe in this course, then what you can do is you can find it at ConvoCourses.com, where I have a free introduction to this course. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. ConvoCourses.com. There we go, ConvoCourses.com. And if you go to, I got a bunch of other free courses, but this recent one is specifically about how to put information that's cybersecurity related on your resume. The free course is out there, but I'm doing one that's much deeper. It's just going to take me a while to do it. Here it is right here. And it's just a few videos of how to word things on your resume. You might have already actually seen it on my YouTube channel. If you didn't know, go to YouTube, ConvoCourses.com. You can check me out there, and I talk about risk management framework, information system security officer work, cybersecurity stuff in general. That's the kind of stuff I talk about. All right, so got a few people watching right now, doing something a little bit different. It's going to be interesting. I'm broadcasting on different channels to see what goes on with that. Another thing, on my channel, I get a lot of people asking me about some videos I've done in the past about how to avoid dating scams. If you're interested in that, I got a free course on relationship.thinkific.com where I talk about, it's free. It's 10 videos where I walk you through how to actually avoid romance scammers online. I know a lot about this because I did it for a while. I mean, I wasn't a romance scammer. I got scammed a few times as I was going on the dating sites. But I learned how to actually avoid it. But if you're interested in that, go ahead and check that out for free. It's relationship.thinkific.com. All right.